In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert decimal to hexadecimal online converter fastest. If you ever need to turn a regular base 10 number into base 16 for programming, networking, or electronics, this method is quick, clear, and reliable. We're going to use the Rapid Tables Decimal to Hex tool. It's a straightforward online page designed specifically for this conversion, so you won't need to install anything or fiddle with settings. Once you open the tool, you'll see a simple input box for your decimal number and a button to run the conversion. Start by typing your decimal value into the input field. As a clean example, enter 255. Decimal simply means the numbers we use every day, built from digits 0 through 9. For the best results here, use whole numbers and avoid commas or extra spaces. If you type 255, you're giving the converter a clear, standard base 10 value to work with. Next, click the Convert button. The tool processes instantly, so there's no waiting. Behind the scenes, it's translating your base 10 number into base 16, a system that counts from 0 to 15 in a single digit. In hexadecimal, digits 0 through 9 mean what you expect, and the values 10 through 15 are written as A through F. You'll immediately see the hexadecimal result displayed. For our example, 255 becomes FF. That's because F represents 15, and FF means 15 sixteenths plus 15, which equals 255. You might notice the result is shown in uppercase letters. That's completely standard. Hex isn't case sensitive, so FF and FF represent the same value. Sometimes you'll see a prefix like 0xFF in programming contexts to indicate this is hexadecimal, but the value itself is the same with or without the prefix. If you're working with larger numbers, the same process applies. Type the decimal, click Convert, and read the hex value. The converter handles big values cleanly. And if you need a specific width, such as 2 or 4 hex digits, remember that you can interpret leading zeros as padding. For example, 0A is the same value as A, just formatted to a fixed width. That's all there is to it. Use the Rapid Tables Decimal to Hex tool, enter your decimal number, click Convert, and read the hexadecimal result. It's fast, accurate, and perfect when you need a trustworthy conversion without distractions.